Here's a quick word from Pentair.
We've recently come out with the IntelliCenter, which is kind of the heartbeat and the pulse of the future of the pool pad for the pool industry and for us as a company. Technology is changing, at a very rapid clip, probably faster now than it has in my lifetime for sure. And the challenge as a manufacturer with that is if you produce something today, tomorrow it may potentially be outdated. With the new controller that we have, it has the ability to push updates to it, similar to the apps on your iPhone or your Droid. Anytime there's an update to an app, it automatically pushes the latest software to it, so it's relevant to what's going on today. The IntelliCenter platform has the ability to do that as well. Probably the most innovative product in the pool industry since the variable speed pump.
Yeah, we started using them early this year, early 2019, and we've got a few of them out there in the field, and just the user interface is amazing. The setup wizards, the fact that it's all completely simplified. You've made it. Automation used to be a bit cumbersome as far as getting it set up, and it used to be a real steep learning curve, especially starting to get real complex into macros and things like that. Screen Logic was a great step in the direction of being able to bring that onto the desktop and simplify a lot of it. But it seems like that the IntelliCenter, doesn't seem like the IntelliCenter is completely taken everything you guys have learned and integrated it into one touch screen out at the equipment pad, which is one of the things that I loved about the Easy Touch. The Easy Touch had the interface out at the pad, and you didn't have to have a mobile board that you plugged in, and the IntelliCenter is just taking it that next step. It's all touch screen. You have setup wizards. It walks you through the whole process of getting it up and running. It's really, in my mind, it's game changing for the industry.
Well, and I would agree with that, not only because I've worked with Pentair, but in the years gone by, we've had the IntelliTouch and we have the Easy Touch, and our competitors have systems that are automation systems. And when something changes or there's a new product that's out there, your only option was to either update or replace some microchips on a board, or come out and do something called flashing the software. Those days are gone with the IntelliCenter because of the automatic push update. So it's an exciting time in the pool industry.
It is. It's because you're no longer purchasing a static piece of equipment. You're purchasing something that is going to grow with the technological advancements.
Correct.
Yeah, exactly. And let's talk a little bit about kind of what you guys are integrated into that. You've got the IntelliLevel now, you've got IntelliCam, you've got, it's all coming under one umbrella, and it's all coming together with the IntelliCenter.
So a lot of the devices that we've developed and are out today, like the IntelliLevel, is an automatic auto leveler for the pool that stands either on a static water line or on a suction side line, so it'll only feed water when the pump is not running. That integrates with the IntelliCenter. There's some technology built into that. When you're programming the system, if it feeds more water than what is considered normal by the system, a little bit of AI built into it, it will send a signal and say, hey, we're moving more water into this pool on a daily basis than we were 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
Do you have a leak over at the equipment pad? Is water gushing on the side of your house? Is water running down the hill? So not only is it a water leveler, but it's got some built-in safety features to it to make you as aware as you want to be as to what's going on with the swimming pool.
Yeah, and IntelliTouch started playing around with that, with some of the alerts that it would send out for pump alerts and everything, and that seems to me to be kind of, as a builder that has to warranty it, and as the field guys that are servicing it, to be able to know before your client knows that something is happening, and to be able to get text alerts or email, you choose your interface. I mean, that's such a great advancement that I've really liked.
Well, it's a game changer, and from the builder standpoint or from a service standpoint, it separates you from the competition out there, because that Ron Newman had a problem with his pool pump or his autofill before Ron Newman had a problem. So you already have a solution before I even know there's an issue. So that is one beautiful thing about the Screen Logic and the IntelliCenter. It does have built-in safety email alerts where it can email out if there's a problem with an IntelliLevel. In the future, if there's a problem with a valve actuator, there'll be an alert for that. There's alerts for the chemical, our IntelliChem, our commercial, our residential chemical controller. So there's a lot of great safety nets built into the system that's only going to continue to grow on that platform.